Hi, Philip. We're looking at your data here and the way you've presented the qualitative findings for research question 2. And it's an interesting label, positioning either pedagogy and learning between the realities. But yeah, that's an odd label. Anyway, or it's not an obvious one. So the way you've presented, well, you won't get away with the way you presented this data because what you've done is, first of all, you've said in terms of cognitive benefits, immersion is commonly reported to engagement and immersion as a positive use for learning. Okay, so you're making that connection. I guess I did comment here on the side whether this was cognitive or motivational, but I suppose it could be, um, but you present some quotes, and that's great. And then you just dump all these actual benefits here, which are important, but have no evidence. Like, I don't know how you got them. You're just saying, well, I just got them. What you really need to do is probably I'm not sure if they're unique categories here. So fosters a learning agency, ability to visualize, teaching resilience. Yeah, okay, so what you need to do is as treat this data as the same, the way you put the quotes is this data. And so I'm thinking about how you might do it. These seem unique, but maybe you can cluster them. I'm just taking a look. So you've got more introspective, right? I'm just going to highlight this. And deepens understanding, right? And more nuanced and create. So that's kind of getting into the and critical thinking. So that kind of goes together. And I don't know what learning agency is. It's independence, I suppose. So that kind of goes. This is a state of flow. Okay, so that might, I'm going to just put that as there. And maybe that goes with this one. Okay, and then I don't know. All right. And then going at one's own pace might, I'm just going to put that with a self-expression and learning agency. I think those kind of go together, like independence. And then creativity, visualize complex topics. I don't know what teaching and yeah, see, I don't know what this means. So what I would do is organize this into themes. I wouldn't use the table. So you would have positioning. So I would say there were 5 areas, which included um, engagement and immersion, um, experience and flow, um, deeper critical nuanced thinking, something like that. Um, uh, Self-expression and control, and then a sort of maybe the visualize and the creativity might go together. I don't know. And then maybe a miscellaneous category. Okay. And then for each, you would give a paragraph and examples of quotes that support these statements, because this won't follow, and this won't be accepted in a doctoral thesis. You have to actually give the evidence here. And so, yeah, you're going to have to revise that.